Okay, YouTube, I am back with the vlog. Finally, I'm so happy to be back. Today is a special day because I'm going to the San Fernando Valley rescue mission, and we're gonna take the Kylie Truck. Shout out to HealthNet and Press Juicery for providing meals, and we're gonna bring some toys and just spread some holiday spirit. Don't mind my bathroom. I'm actually redoing some things in my house, so it's completely empty in here. I'm really excited. I've been looking forward to this day. I think what I'm most grateful for during the holidays is my family, and you know, it is definitely a time where I reflect. We're gonna spread some spirit. We are going to meet a bunch of people, give out toys, give out food, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Follow me.
Mommy.
Baby. Can I have a kissy, a real kissy?
Yeah.
Later? Okay, you want to beep beep?
No.
Her new favorite word is no.
Baby.
Okay, go like this. Press hard. You gotta press hard. Whoa!
And what?
More? Okay, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Ah! Thank God no one lives on my street.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Ah! Can I tell you what I'm doing today?
Yes.
I am going to a rescue mission, and I'm gonna give out some food and some toys. And I just want you to know how blessed you are, baby.
Mommy, cool.
Okay, she'll get it one day. I love you, babe.
I love you.
I'm gonna miss you. All right, we are pulling up. I'm following my security in here. There's the truck. I think my mom is already here. I'm gonna pull off to the side. Look at my little truck. It's actually all Kylie's skin right now. So cute. We're gonna go find my mommy. Hi. Hi. Mom. Why was you blinking? Did I have a toy? All right, what are we doing today?
Well, tonight we're at the San Fernando Valley Rescue Mission, and we're gonna have wonderful, because we're related, we're gonna serve a dinner to all the people that live here and some cookies and give toys to the kids. And HealthNet is providing the meals, and I'm really excited. Merry Christmas.
Little babies. Oh my God, this is gonna give me baby fever. Hello. And then chicken.
Thank you.
Smells good. Hi guys. What was this?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi.
So you guys want chicken, tuna?
Yes, I would like chicken, please.
2 chicken sets. Go.
And there's some chips over there. And here's your juice.
We're out of chicken.
Out of chicken.
Out of chicken.
Sold out of chicken.
Yeah.
Greatest thing ever.
This is so cute.
Oh my God, thank you.
We're excited we got to spend the evening with you, and we brought all the
gifts.
kids some toys, so if you guys want to come this way.
She's helping with her baby doll. Oh my goodness. Princesses.
Hold it. Kylie, she picked her toys. You got the Barbie? Which one would you like?
Tristan, you want to pick out a toy?
Want a dinosaur? Did you get socks?
Thank you. And did you tell Kylie thank you? Say thank you. Say Merry Christmas.
Amazing. Oh my gosh, so cute. Here you go.
Okay.
stranger, baby. Merry Christmas. Not strangers. Alright, so I just got in my car. We just finished here at the rescue mission. It went great, better than I thought. I think everyone was pretty happy, so that makes me happy. That's why we did it. And yeah, it was a good little way to spend my night. So I'm about to head back to my house, and I really want to show you guys my Christmas decorations, so stay tuned. Okay, I made it home. Stormy girl? Yeah. Baby! Baby! Oh, I love you.
And then mommy.
I miss you, baby.
I miss you.
I miss you. Should we show them the Christmas decorations? Oh, what is that? You know what it is. What is that? Is a Bergen? A Bergen from Troll? And who's this?
No Bergen. Choose.
Princess Poppy?
Yes, it's a puppy.
Should we go show them the tree?
Yeah.
Come on, little goose. Okay, let's go look at the Christmas tree. Whoa!
That's crazy.
It's crazy?
Yeah.
So pretty, baby. So pretty.
Mommy.
Can you find Santa for me on the tree?
Yeah.
Where's Santa?
No, right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, he's right over here.
Hello, husband.
All right, so we have like big Santas everywhere. You gonna give him a hug? You gonna give him a hug? Oh.
And mommy hug.
You want me to hug him?
Yeah.
Oh, Santa. Is that silly? So we have Santas everywhere.
This one.
We have this big one. What else should we show him, Storm?
Yeah.
By the front, I have this little days until Christmas countdown. It's this cute little wreath. Hold on, I'm showing them all our stuff that we got in here. My mom got me this. Oh, what are you doing? And I just love like traditional little Christmas. Okay, and then over here on this console table here, I have a ceramic little town. I think it's really cute. I'm pretty sure I got this from Target. I got most of my stuff from Target. I set up the little deer. These candles, by the way, are everything. They literally make your house smell like Christmas. I think these Santa matches are so cute. I got those from literally Bristol Farms. So yeah, and then over here, Santa is like climbing the ladder. You're supposed to put this by your tree actually, but I liked him here. Stormy really likes him too. He sings all day and gets like a workout. I actually thought this was like a normal snow globe, and then I came and it was huge, but Stormy loves it, so I kept it out here. There's little nutcrackers. I love this because I wanted Stormy to kind of experience what I used to experience growing up and all the amazing memories that I have. These ornaments my mom had, and I used to love sitting by the tree. They're all different, and just looking at all of them. So I wanted the same thing for Stormy. So I got all these ornaments for her because I think they're so traditional and cute. All right, well, that concludes my night. Thank you for joining me. I had so much fun. I had such a great time meeting all those people and just seeing everybody so happy as we left. Made the rest of my year. So thanks for joining me. I can't wait to do another vlog really soon. Well, I'm gonna go put my baby to sleep. I hope everyone has a good day.